It's not hard to make this charm pendant even if you're a beginning jewelry maker. I'll walk you through with step-by-step instructions. For this project you will need beads, a charm, 24 gauge jewelry wire, fingernail clippers, and jewelry pliers. Cut about 6 inches of wire with the fingernail clippers or wire cutters if you have them. Bend the wire in half and thread on one small bead to the center. Hold both the ends of the wire together and thread on your charm. I've got an owl charm here, but you can use whatever you want. Slide that down to be snug on top of the bead. Set this aside for now. Cut another wire about 6 inches long. And you're going to thread on your beads, whatever pattern you would like, to make a circle that's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches across in diameter. But you can do whatever you would like. To close the circle, thread one end of the wire down through a few beads on the other side in the opposite direction. Pull the ends of the wire tight and then wrap each end between the beads a few times just to keep everything in place. Clip off the ends of the wire as close as you can get it. And then you can use your pliers to bend down the end of that if it's sticking out at all. Now we're going to add the charm. So holding both ends of the wire together, put your charm in the middle of the circle and wrap both ends around the wire in between a few beads a couple of times to keep everything in place. Turn a loop at the top with your jewelry pliers. Make it big enough for whatever cord or chain you're going to use. And then still holding the two ends together, wrap it around the base of the loop at least twice. Clip off the ends of the wire as close as you can. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you more craft videos. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.